How are we practicing sustainability? I'd love to show you. Let's go. By far, one of the largest percentages of material in ActivWall products is aluminum, and aluminum is highly recyclable. While we're manufacturing our ActivWall products, we cut and fabricate aluminum. Any scrap that comes out is all recycled. The second largest material in an ActivWall product is glass, and glass is highly recyclable. It's also very energy efficient, and most of the glass that goes into our product is insulated glass, double pane, that reduces energy use. When we ship ActivWall products, we use mostly recyclable materials like wood in this crate. We use a limited amount of foam and plastic, and all of that's recyclable. We also try to batch our shipments so we reduce our carbon footprint. Thanks for visiting ActivWall.